How to watch ESPN on Disney Plus on TV. Disney Plus and ESPN Plus are separate services, but you can access both through the Disney bundle. Here's how to set it up on your TV. Step number 1. Subscribe to the Disney bundle. Visit the Disney Plus website and choose a Disney bundle plan that includes Disney Plus, Hulu, and ESPN Plus. Step number 2. Set up your accounts. After subscribing, you'll receive emails with instructions to activate your Hulu and ESPN Plus accounts. Follow the links provided to create your login credentials for each service. Step number 3, download the ESPN app. On your smart TV or streaming device, navigate to the App Store. Search for and install the ESPN app. Step number 4, log into the ESPN app. Open the ESPN app on your TV. Use the ESPN Plus login credentials you set up in step number 2 to sign in. Step number 5, access ESPN Plus content. Within the ESPN app, navigate to the ESPN Plus section to explore and stream available content.